Hey guys, it is me, Fan47, and today we're playing this game called Bird Alone, and it's loading right now, so... Hello? Huh? Who are you? I'm Fatman47. Hi. It's a bird! Hello there. Thank you. What? What? Are you my friend? Yeah, I'll be friends with you. You're a freaking talking bird. You're the one that asked. No. What? No. Oh, yay. Oh. Oh my god, you don't have a name. Yeah. You need something? You need... Cool, huh? Chick, what? Pick for me. Your name will be... Burb. Yeah. You like it? Yeah, it's good, huh? Yeah. It's perfect. Oh, well, thank you. Best friends forever. So, let's get to know each other, okay? How are you feeling today? I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah, hooray for good mood. Sorry for all of your depressed people out there. My mom did leave me, but I want to share me something juicy. What is it? Okay. Oh. Welcome, Fan47, to this side. Yeah, this side's the best! Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh. Yeah. I'm the bird in the shoes. How about this weather? It's lovely. Yep, clouds. It is cloudy outside. I've got a fun idea. What's your fun idea? Way for us to get even closer. And for you to get creative. Can you draw what makes you happy? Oh crap, I need to erase this. No, I messed it. Okay, whatever, just ignore that. This is me. And this is Buttman dying in Among Us. Huh? Yeah. Death. Me killing. No idea. Me? Well, thank you. Where are you gonna keep it? Cool. Alright, I'll follow you. Ooh, and now what else is cool? The other side? Whoa! Oh, you need alone time? Yeah. Cool. Alright, so you're gonna leave. Alright. Yeah, let me know. You can ignore the sound in the background, guys. Just ignore it. Just sign here. Come back tomorrow and I'll be ready. Okay. Not too early? Alright, that's fine. I'll be there. Alrighty. Goodbye, Burb. Goodbye, Burb.